Meetings are the core to any sales team's success. But 20% of booked sales meetings fail because a prospect cancels or just forgets to show up. How you schedule and manage your meetings makes a huge difference in your no-show rate and makes the meetings you do hold more likely to convert. Let's look at 4 ways your team can use outreach to schedule meetings more efficiently, follow up better, and keep prospects more engaged. First, give prospects control of the calendar so they can have the ability to book time that works for them without any back and forth. Outreach lets you send your public calendar link directly to prospects, allowing them to choose a time that works well and book a meeting directly on your calendar. This eliminates the hassle of back and forth scheduling and reduces the likelihood of no-shows by allowing your meetings to take place sooner. Outreach also allows your prospects to reschedule with one click using your most up-to-date calendar information. If you don't want to share your whole calendar, you can insert specific available meeting times into your email using natural language. Your prospects can still use these links to book with only one click. Second, simplify team scheduling by letting sales reps book time for account executives directly on their calendars. Not only is it time-consuming to schedule meetings with a prospect, this can often be an internal problem between different teams, making the meeting handoff that much more difficult. Outreach lets you manage multiple schedules with the ability to book meetings on behalf of a colleague, simplifying the handoff between SDRs and AEs, and ensuring that promising meetings are never missed. Third, never miss a meeting follow-up with sequences and email templates designed to help you keep prospects engaged. Immediately after your meeting, add your prospect to a follow-up sequence to ensure they don't go dark. If you don't receive a reply to your initial email, the sequence can schedule call tasks and a mix of automatic and manual follow-up emails to help you stay on top of your communications. Start this sequence with a recap email summarizing your conversation and the next steps you discussed. Finally, recapture no-shows with sequences. Follow-ups aren't just for meetings that have been held. Follow-up sequences can be your secret weapon to re-engaging meeting no-shows. Outreach has a blueprint sequence specifically for meeting follow-ups. We compile data from tens of thousands of calls and emails to determine the best touch points at the best times. With this sequence, Outreach does the heavy lifting of following up. All you have to do is personalize. Outreach isn't just a fully integrated platform to help you book more meetings. It also helps you schedule, hold, and follow up on meetings more effectively. These tips will help you simplify the way you schedule and manage meetings while ensuring more meetings actually happen.